Exercise 7.2, question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of two given points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Here in this question we have to find the coordinates of a point which divides the join of two given points in the given ratio. So we can use here in this question section formula, because section formula is used to find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining two given points in a given ratio. So here in this question given points are say a -1, 7 and b 4, -3, and given ratio m1 is to m2 is 2:3, and we have to find a point on the join of these two given points which divides the line segment in the ratio of 2:3. So let P x, y be the required point. Which divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 2:3. So using section formula we can find out the coordinates of this point P x, y. Here in this question situation becomes like this. There is a point A with coordinates -1, 7, another point B with coordinates 4, -3, and on the join of these two given points there is a point P with coordinates x, y which divides this line segment AB in the ratio of 2:3. M1 is to M2 is 2:3, and we have to find the coordinates of this point P x, y. So using section formula we get x coordinate m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Let us put the values of m1, m2 and x1, x2 here in this formula. m1 2, m2 3, x1 -1, x2 7, y1 7, x2 4, y2 -3. So m1 x2 2 into 4 plus m2 x1 3 into -1 divided by m1 plus m2 2 plus 3 equal to 4 into 2 8 minus 3 8 minus 3 by 5 equal to 1, and y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Let us put here values of m1 m2 and y1 y2. m1 y2, 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3 equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 21 by 5 equal to 15 by 5 equal to 3. So values of x and y we have obtained as 1 and 3. So therefore 1, 3 is the required point which divides the line segment joining two given points minus 1, 7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio of 2:3.